How to log in into Accenture Workday account online. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can log in into Accenture Workday account online. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up a browser in your device. Now in the search bar, type in Accenture Workday. Now, head towards the first link on your interface, that is careersmyworkdaysjob.com. Then you'll be taken into this page. Here, scroll down a bit and then tap on three-line icon at the top right. Now, you will have the sign in button. Tap on it. Then, you will have the sign in page in your interface where you have to enter your email address associated with your account. Onto that, type in your correct password associated with your account. In case if you forgot your password, there is a link provided. Tap on it, follow some instructions, and that's going to help you recover your password. Or if you don't have an account yet, you can always create a new account by tapping on this create account, follow the instructions and create your account to log into your Accenture Workday account. Here, if you're done typing in your correct email address and password, tap on sign in button. And if you have entered your correct login credentials, you will be logged into your Accenture Workday account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.